Good morning students. In the previous video we have discussed future indefinite tense in active and passive. So next type is future continuous tense in active and passive. But future continuous has no type in active and passive voice. So now we are going to discuss future perfect tense in active and passive voice. So let us see how to change future perfect tense from active voice to passive voice or from passive voice into active voice. Like the other tense forms, future perfect tense has also four types of sentence. First, affirmative sentence, second, negative sentence, third, interrogative sentence, and the last one is interrogative sentence. So let us first discuss affirmative sentence of future perfect tense in active voice and passive voice. The screen has two parts. First part is for active voice and other is for passive voice. So let us have a look on the rule of future perfect tense on active side and passive voice. On the active side the rule is subject with helping verb will or shall plus have plus third form of the verb and object. On the passive side, this is replaced by object, helping verb will or shall plus have plus been plus third form of the verb plus by plus subject in the end. So let us have its examples to clear the rule on the two side. On active side, they will have left the country. They will have left the country. Here our object is the country. The country will have been left by them. They will turn into them. Second, the workers will have finished the task. So here our object is the task. On passive side we will start the sentence with object the task, helping verb will plus have plus been third form of the finished by the workers. The task will have been finished by the workers. In this way we can change affirmative sentence of future perfect tense from active voice into passive voice or from passive voice into active voice. So second type is negative sentence. On the active side the rule is subject plus helping verb will or shall plus not plus have plus be3 third form of the verb plus object. On the passive side it changes into object plus helping verb will or shall plus not plus have plus been plus be3 third form of the verb plus subject in the last. So let us have some examples. First, we shall not have called the police. We shall not have called the police. On the passive side it will change into the police object will helping verb not for negative have been called by us. Be is changes into us. The police will not have been called by us. Second, the teacher will not have praised him. The teacher will not have praised him. So here our object is him. On passive side it will turn into he. He will not have been praised by the teacher. He will not have been praised by the teacher. So this is the way to change negative sentence of future perfect tense from active voice to passive voice or passive voice into active voice. Next type is interrogative sentence of future perfect tense. On the active side the formation is will, shall plus subject plus have plus third form of the verb plus object sign of interrogation. On the passive side, the rule is replaced by helping verb will or shall plus object plus have plus been plus third form of the verb plus subject and sign of interrogation at the last. Let us have some sentences of this type. First, shall I have joined IAF? IAF means Indian Air Force. Shall I have joined IAF? On the other side, it is changed into will IAF have been joined by me? Will IAF have been joined by me? Next, will you have changed your mind? Will you have changed your mind? On the passive side, it will change into will your mind have been changed by you? Will your mind have been changed by you? So by mistake यहाँ पर चेंज जो है टाइप हो गया है, लेकिन आएगा यहाँ पर थर्ड फॉर्म चेंज्ड. विल यूर माइंड हैव बीन चेंज्ड बाय यू. नेक्स्ट टाइप इज इंट्रो नेगेटिव सेंटेंस ऑफ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट टेंस. On the left side we have active voice, on the passive side we have on the right side we have passive voice. So let us have its formation. First, on the active side the rule is helping verb will or shall plus subject plus not plus have plus v3 third form of the verb plus object sign of interrogation. On the passive side, the rule is replaced by helping verb will or shall plus object plus not plus have plus been plus v3 third form of the verb plus by plus subject and sign of interrogation in the end. So let us have these type of sentences to understand this rule. First is, will they not have denied my request? Denied means refused, मना कर देना. Will they not have denied my request? So here our object is my request. My request on the passive side will become subject. Will my request not have been denied by them? They will change into them. Will my request not have been denied by them? Second, will he not have travelled the whole world? Will he not have travelled the whole world? Here our object is the whole world. So will the whole world not have been travelled by him? Will the whole world not have been travelled by him? So in this way we can change intro negative sentence of future perfect tense from active voice to passive voice or from passive voice into active voice. So next type of our last type of sentence is future perfect continuous, but like present perfect continuous tense, past perfect continuous tense and future continuous tense, future perfect continuous has no type in active and passive voice. So tense wise discussion of active and passive voice is finished here. So I hope you have well understood the topic. Now I am giving you some examples to solve at home to check your knowledge about future perfect tense of active voice and passive voice. So here is your practice exercise. First, Maruti will have launched a new car. Second, I shall not have received her message. Third, will the committee not have discussed the problem of dengue? Fourth, they will have planted many trees. Fifth, our school will not have won the cricket tournament. Sixth, Will she not have accepted his marriage proposal? 7th, we shall have kept our words. 8. Will the police not have arrested the true culprit? 9th, the company will have earned a big profit. 10. Will you not have lost the last chance? Try to solve all the sentences and check your knowledge about the topic. Till then, thank you very much.